Hello viewers of Kritika's Vision, welcome to lecture 2 of Renaissance. Today we will start with the causes of Renaissance. The first cause was the capture of Constantinople. Yes, Constantinople was the capital city of Roman, Byzantine and the Ottoman empires, and this ancient city is located in the present-day Turkey, now known as Istanbul. Now, it was founded by Roman Emperor, and by the middle of 15th century, the prominence of Constantinople and Byzantine Empire had suffered a dramatic decline. Now, this was the time when Ottoman Turks, they captured that particular place. Now, because of this, it led to the fall of Constantinople, which gave an indirect impetus to the Renaissance. Many Greek scholars fled from Constantinople before and after the fall of the city, and they went to Italy, yes, the very birthplace of Renaissance, where they were welcomed. They became teachers and professors in various universities of Europe. They took many Greek books, manuscripts with them. In Italy, these were translated into Latin. The content of these hugely influenced the intellectual life during the Renaissance period. And this led to new thirst for knowledge, which further led to revival of learning of Greek classic. So this was the first reason, that is the capture of Constantinople by the Ottoman Turks, which gave an indirect impetus and became one of the causes of Renaissance. Coming to the second cause of Renaissance, decline of feudalism. So in the medieval period, the European society was feudal in nature. That was the economic character of such society. And the decline of feudalism led to Renaissance. How? It began to decline by the end of 13th century in France and Italy. The rise of middle class, the support to the kings was a major reason. So if we remember, the feudal hierarchy was such that there were lords and vassals. Lords were the giver of land and vassals were the giver of services. So be it knights, be it nobles or be it peasants, all these were vassals, and kings were the lord. So the middle class comprised wealthy traders and merchants who provided money to the kings needed for the maintenance of the army and other purposes. This led to lessen the king's dependence on feudal lords basically. So the decline of feudalism favored the growth of new learning and development in the field of art and architecture, literature, science and philosophy. So these two factors we have dealt as the causes of Renaissance here. First, capture of Constantinople by Ottoman Turks, and second, decline of feudalism. So because no longer the feudal lords were needed, no longer the knights were needed, so what happened? A lot of slaves, that is the lowest rank of feudal hierarchy, they were free. Now they were free, so they moved here and there for work. And they moved here and there to get to know what is there in other part of the country. So this led to further awakening.